This 5-minute solution will show you how to pin a Facebook post. Follow these easy steps to learn to pin a post on your Facebook profile. Also, pin a post on your Facebook page. First of all, let's pin a post on Facebook page. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Facebook page and I'm searching for the post. Let's pin this post. Tap on this three dot. Tap on pin post. And your post has been pinned, as you can see. And I'm reloading my page. And here we can see at the top of this page, the post has been pinned. Now let's pin a post on our Facebook profile. So I'm going to my profile and searching for a post to pin. Tapping on this three dot, tapping on pin post. And here we can see the post has been pinned at the top of my profile. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.